Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to jazz up your water. Water does not have to be boring, y'all. We are going to be making vitamin water, and water is actually my favorite drink. And this is going to work with whether you have plain water or sparkling water. The possibilities are endless. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways that I like to jazz up my water. But really quick before we get to that, in case you're wondering what hair extensions I have in, this is the Kavani version hair, raw Indian curly, y'all. I've been in the weave industry for about 15 years, y'all. This hair is a bomb. But anyways, I know that's not what you're here for. In case you're interested, the information is going to be in the description box below. Let's quench your thirst, y'all. Let's get to it. So for our first water, we're going to need the juice of half to 1 lemon, a few lemon slices. I usually place a few more lemon slices, but I was short on lemon. A few cucumber slices. I would recommend the skin being peeled, but it doesn't matter. And you're going to chop up some fresh ginger. And last but not least, some fresh mint leaves. And there you have it, a refreshing cucumber mint water. So for our second water, we're going to slice up some strawberries. Take the juice of half to 1 lime and throw in some lime slices. Throw in the strawberries. And last but not least, some fresh mint leaves. And there you have it, a refreshing strawberry lime cooler. So for our last water, you're going to need the juice of 1/3 to 1/2 of grapefruit, a few grapefruit slices, a few cucumber slices, a few raspberries, and last but not least, a few basil leaves. And there you have it, our final vitamin water. I like to call this one my pink sunrise. One key thing to point out is that you want to give all of your vitamin water time to marinate, so it's best prepped the night before and then placed in the fridge overnight. You do want to make sure you cover the water with some lids. Do not leave it exposed. And then in the morning, you'll have cold, refreshing, flavorful, delicious water. I hope you enjoy.